guys. Good night. This is our second night here, having a camp.
Second night camping.
Yeah.
The first night we didn't do hot dogs, but this night we are doing hot dogs.
Oh wow! Cool. Who wants to lay down there?
I don't.
Look at that.
Hot dogs would.
It's very mesmerizing to watch the fire going. Ooh, it's pretty, right?
Pretty warm, nice, great.
It's beautiful, guys. Look at that.
Look at the moon.
Look at the moon, guys. It is so beautiful.
I need a reading light.
Nice.
Excuse me.
You can't stop her from reading. She will always find a way.
We got one more pallet before we go to bed.
No, this one is enough, I think.
Whatever.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
What time is it?
Cool. It is about... Oh, it's already 10.
Okay.
Oh, we have 30 minutes. I like the sound of it, look.
It makes me happy. Look at him. The sound of it makes me happy.
Mm-hmm.
Look at Licky, Mommy. He's like gravitating towards the heat. He's like, yes.
Oh, see the bunny?
See that? He put his
Hi, Bun Bun. You watching the fire too? I think he is enjoying it too. Ate, it's dark now.
That scares the crap out of me.
Oh, he's like, what is that? Whoa, beautiful. Look at that.
I don't want him seeing.
Just the sound of it, isn't it? We're just gonna watch the show of fire, guys.
Maybe this is good enough for reading.
It's pretty chilly for the first day of June.
Oh, tonight is gonna be first day of June. Yeah. Wow, it's June already. Crystalline, say hi. Ate Clement.
Mama, look.
Oh wow, look at that. It's like fireworks. Wow. And then look at the moon. Whoa.
There's a star.
Oh yeah.
What's the star?
The first star of tonight.
I see first star I see tonight. It's right on the
yeah.
left-hand side of the moon over there.
Look like a fireworks.
No, there's the second star.
Mm-hmm.
2 stars already in the sky.
We have a fireworks,
Whoa,
guys.
look.
Whoa.
Look at the color.
It's like a fireworks.
You're not hot there?
A little bit hot. I'm gonna move a little bit.
We're a bit hot.
A little bit. We'll move a little bit.
Itty bitty. Think of it more.
That's it. Whoa, look at the fireworks, guys. We have a
Yeah,
fireworks.
you should move away from it a little bit.
Alright.
Oh, that's gonna burn quick.
Yeah.
That must be pine.
What?
The wood must be pine.
Whoa, look at the fireworks.
Because
That's
it's popping a lot
Pine, but
and there's a lot of sap in it.
it's so cool to watch these. Look like a fireworks.
yeah.
Oh, look at that. It fell on a chair.
Move the chair.
Don't let him my book you. Please no book. The book is
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's turning towards me. Like, that's like meteors.
Whoa.
No, there it wouldn't. No. Hi, Benny. He's
so scared. He's terrified.
terrified.
He's like, please help me.
Licky.
No need to be scared, Bunny. You aren't gonna go in the fire.
Yeah, funny thing. I'm gonna beat the fire.
Smells, the fire smells good.
It kind of looks cool to see it.
It kind of looks cool, right? Whoa. guys. Have a blessed good night, everyone. Thanks for watching. This is Nerissa GM.
And that was Crystal.
Yeah.